tap. She's got it. Now, Finney Smith trying to get into it. See, all the way to the hole.
It's a heck of a move.
Yep.
That's a heck of a move.
Trying to get there. And he will. Right to the line.
Finish through 2 Los Angeles Lakers. That's a man among boys right there, man.
Yeah, Jackson Hayes has the lane C beyond the arc with 10 of the shot clock. He gets into Jackson Hayes, finishes through the contact. The run by, the fly by. Good pass. See, and the hammer is available. Now a couple of free throws.
Watch your head, homeboy. Watch your head, homeboy. And you know what, Joe? They were teammates.
Man, you're right.